In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if someone is active on Instagram, even if their activity status is hidden. We'll use only Instagram's built-in tools and a few simple checks to get the best possible signal without guessing games. First, make sure your own activity status is turned on. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the three lines, then choose Settings and Privacy. Head to Messages and Story Replies, tap Show Activity Status, and toggle it on. Instagram works on a you see what you share basis. If yours is off, you won't reliably see others. Keep in mind, if they've hidden their status, you won't see a live indicator for them, but this step ensures you're not blocking that visibility on your end. Next, check for the green dot in your direct messages. Open messages, find your chat with them, and look for a small green dot next to their profile picture. That dot means they're active now. If you see active XH ago, it indicates when they were last active, unless they've fully hidden that info. No dot doesn't always mean they're offline. They might have the status hidden. If things look stale, pull down to refresh the inbox and wait a moment for indicators to update. If their status is hidden, use the close friends story method. Create a quick story, any harmless photo works. Tap the close friends option before sharing and select only that person. Keep an eye on the viewer list. If they view it shortly after you post, that's a strong sign they're online or recently active. Remember, the viewer order isn't a precise timeline, so look at how soon their view appears rather than where they rank on the list. You can also watch for indirect signs, news stories or posts appearing, likes or comments from them, or a quick reply to a DM all suggest they're currently active, even if their status is hidden. Instagram timestamps like 1M or just now under posts and stories can help you gauge recency. If you have another account you already use, try checking from there. Log into your secondary account, open the chat, and see if the green dot or recent activity shows up. Sometimes visibility varies based on interaction patterns, and a second account can give you a clearer read without changing any settings. Use these signals together for the most accurate picture, and always respect privacy settings. Hidden status means they prefer not to share exact availability. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.